in the tail.
I had the greatest day of my life. The boys were shooting doubles under western starlight. I rowed a boat across the bay. Phoenix to Seattle to San Francisco. Hearing Debbie laugh under downtown bar glow. Louie telling me he feels free from yesterday.
Got it.
Drank a cup of coffee, couple hours south of the place I used to run around. And I was too young to really know the difference in love and longing for it, and when to shut up and when to stay with it. How to forgive and just let go. This is the greatest day of my life. If I move or close my eyes, it'll be gone and so will I. So come on in and stay a while. Here's just moments in a great big pile. She's there laughing on the porch swing of my mind. And I'm just grateful to be here at closing time. I had the greatest day of my life. Rode up a single in a New York high-rise. How the city makes a country boy dream. Played pool in Colorado after snow all night. It rained in Carolina, but we played just fine. Charles is always better than last week. What did I do to deserve all this? A roof over my head and a band that don't miss. Healthy dog that hugs me when I'm home. And nowadays I don't feel so alone. It can't get better. What have I ever known? This is the greatest day of my life. If I move or close my eyes, it'll be gone and so will I. So come on in and stay a while. Here's just moments in a great big pile. She's there laughing on the porch swing of my mind. Nowadays I ain't so lonely all the time. I'm just grateful to be here at closing time. I had the greatest day of my life. The boys were shooting doubles under western starlight. I rowed a boat across the bay.